Encountering a 403 error on a Nebraska website can feel like hitting a digital wall. This HTTP status code indicates that access is denied, often due to permission settings. Common causes include incorrect file permissions, blocked IP addresses, and misconfigured URLs. These errors can frustrate users, harm SEO rankings, and lead to lost business opportunities. To diagnose a 403 error, start by checking the URL for typos. A simple mistake can lead to access denial. Clearing the browser cache and cookies can also resolve local issues that might trigger the error. Additionally, disabling VPN or proxy settings may help, as these can sometimes block access to certain sites. If these initial steps don't work, server-side issues may be at play. Reviewing file permissions is crucial. Directories should typically be set to 755 and files to 644 to allow public access. The access file also requires attention, as misconfigurations here can lead to access restrictions. Analyzing server logs can provide insights into the error's cause, revealing details like blocked IP addresses or failed access attempts. User permission problems can also trigger 403 errors. Ensuring correct user roles is essential. Not everyone needs admin access. Regularly reviewing user roles and implementing role-based access control can prevent unauthorized access. Additionally, managing access restrictions and updating user credentials, such as enforcing strong passwords and two-factor authentication, enhances security. Optimizing web hosting is another key factor. Choosing the right hosting plan based on bandwidth and expected traffic can prevent performance issues. Reliable uptime is vital. Aim for at least 99.9% uptime to keep visitors engaged. Leveraging a content delivery network can improve site speed and reliability, ensuring users access content quickly. When facing persistent 403 errors, contacting Nebraska web hosting providers like WebSnoogie can be beneficial. Customer support teams are equipped to diagnose issues and provide solutions. Understanding hosting features, such as SSL certificates and daily backups, can also protect against errors. Preventative measures can help avoid future 403 errors. Regularly updating software, implementing security protocols, and monitoring website traffic are essential practices. Utilizing online error checkers can quickly identify the source of the error, while technical forums offer community support for troubleshooting. In cases where the issue remains unresolved, seeking professional help is advisable. Local web experts can provide tailored solutions, while professional services can address complex issues efficiently. Learning from common scenarios, such as misconfigured permissions or outdated software, can also provide valuable insights. By taking proactive steps and utilizing available resources, Nebraska website owners can effectively manage and resolve 403 errors, ensuring a smooth online experience for all users. If you are encountering website errors and your hosting company is not helping you, please consider WebSnoogie. Their team of experts has most issues cleared up in minutes.